In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your soap powder last a lot longer, actually do a better clean, and also be better for the environment. So the first thing we need to do is make a funnel so we can put the soap powder into an old milk bottle. So I'm just using 2 milk bottles that I've cleaned here. I'm going to cut one in half. I'm just using a Stanley knife, but you can use a sharp kitchen knife. Then, because the lid has to go inside the other lid, we'll just go around and cut some bits in it like this. That should be enough. Then we grab our other milk bottle, put that there, just squeeze those in a little bit. Make sure that they're all on the inside or you're going to have a messy table. That'll do. Then pour some of this in. So I fill it up until I suppose that's about a 1/5 or a 1/6. That's actually quite a lot. You could actually use less, I have. Oh, that's going everywhere. I'll just pour it directly in. Now you don't want it right to the top because you want to give it a good shake. There we go. And then we put our lid on. Give it a good shake. Now you actually let that sit. So I just leave mine sitting on the windowsill. And you're only going to use about a cup per wash. Now the way that you can tell if you're using enough is when the washing machine is on agitate. If there's too many suds, that means you've got too much detergent in it. So you want it so it's just before the amount of suds, and then you've got just the right amount of detergent. Then all you do is you pour that into the washing machine, and I'll show you what that looks like now. So as we can see here, there's not a lot of bubbles, but we can still see that there's soap powder in there. And what that means is we're not going to get heaps of residue on our clothing. This is all black clothes at the moment. So when we hang them out in the line, they'll be nice and clean.